Hello traders, welcome to the second module of the Advanced MT4 course, Platform Tools. In this lesson we're going to teach you how to create and save different chart templates for different trading scenarios. Now the cool thing about MT4 is that you can have various templates for different scenarios. That means that if you use some kind of indicators for short-term trading, like moving average crossovers, and you can save that template. And then if you use a more complicated indicator setting for longer term trading, you can save that trading too, and I'm going to show you how it's done. And of course, if you like to aggressively monitor a currency pair or any financial asset, you can always have the same currency pair on 3 different windows with 3 different indicator templates on them. So let's start with the Euro GBP, okay? And this is the Euro GBP 1 hour chart, and let's say that you want to add on this chart you want to add an oscillator, you want to add a MACD. No, let's say that you want to add an RSI, okay? Then you go to Relative Strength Index and you add a 14 period RSI, just like in this case. And as you can see, the 14 period RSI is plotted on your charts, but if you want to modify the levels, you can do so. Okay, so there you have a normal RSI on your charts. And let's say that you also use the Ichimoku cloud, okay, for your trading. So what you do here is that you get rid of the Tenkan-san, the Kijun-sen, and the Chiku-span. Okay, you just use the Ichimoku cloud, and there you have it. You have only the Ichimoku cloud. And let's make it a little bit brighter. Okay, now there you have it. Now that's the Ichimoku cloud. And let's say that you also use the 200 moving average and the 100 moving average for longer term positions. Okay, here's the 200 moving average. Let's zoom it out a little bit, and here's the 100 moving average, okay, which is the black one. Now if this is your template or your setting template for longer term positions, you just right click, you just go to template, you save the template, and you give it a name. You can give it Ichimoku cloud long term, and there you have it, and you save it. Okay, now you eliminate the indicator list, or you go to the indicator list and you eliminate all the indicators on your chart, and you come back to a naked chart just like this one. And if you like trading the shorter term too, or if you like scalping the market, and if you only use Bollinger Bands for your short-term positions to trade the squeeze, for example, you go right here and you just click on your Bollinger Bands, okay, and you save the template as and you give it a name. You can save it as Bollinger Bands scalping, and you save it, and that's it. So if you are, for example, the Euro GBP 5-minute chart, and but you see no real setup on the 5-minute chart, and you move to the 1 hour chart, you just go here and you just change your template to the Ichimoku cloud and the RSI setting that you have for longer term trades, and then you can start drawing the trend lines on your charts and looking for entries. So basically this is important because you will not only have one setting when you are trading stocks, forex, or commodities. You will have a various settings depending on the length of the trade you are looking to or you are looking at. If you're looking to scalp the markets at the open, for example, the New York Open or the London Open, you will have one set of settings for very short term positions. And if you are a swing trader, you will have maybe less indicators, but you will have more solid readings on them. And it's always good to have this template saved as you have here. And you can see that you actually have some templates that are by default on the MT4, such as the momentum template, which looks for breakouts and immediate volume to trade the momentum, and looks for only short-term positions. And of course you can look at them and also use them at your discretion. But in my opinion, it's best to have your own sets of indicators on your charts because you have to trade within your trading style. And the cool thing about this is that, for example, if you have this setup or this indicator template already set, you can just add some indicators, some extra indicators to the template. And let's see that we want to add the envelopes to this template. You can add them and see if they work. And if they don't work, you just don't save the template and you will have the same template as before. And if they do, you just go here and you go to the Ichimoku Cloud Long Term and you just save it as and replace it as the one you had before.